In this video, we are going to solve linear inequalities. So what we're going to do is we're going to treat this greater than sign like an equal sign. So we're going to try to get all x's on the left side to make it say x is greater than with all of our numbers on the right side. So the first thing we need to do is simplify each side. So let's start on the left side. Let's distribute the 2. So we have a negative 3x. And then when I distribute the 2, I say 2 times x, which is 2x. And then 2 times 5, which is 10. And then the right side, I can just write out again. And then simplify the left side, combine like terms. So I have a negative 1x plus 10 is greater than 4x minus 15. Then I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. So I have negative 5x plus 10 is greater than negative 15. And I want to move the 10 to the other side so I can get x by itself. I'm going to come up here and finish this. So I've got negative 5x is greater than negative 25. And then I'm dividing both sides by negative 5. When I divide by a negative, I have to switch the direction of this sign. So it now becomes x is less than 5. And then if I were to graph that, I'd go to the number line where 5 is. And I would do an open circle because it's less than. If it was less than or equal to, I would do a closed circle. And then I'm going to shade everything less than the line. And then interval notation would be negative parenthesis, then negative infinity to 5, and then a parenthesis. So I have to put it in this order. I always put the smallest number first. So I can't write this as 5 comma negative infinity. I have to put the negative infinity first. And then it is a parenthesis because it is not equal to. If it would have been an equal to, then it would have been a bracket. But because it's just a less than, it's going to be a parenthesis. So here's my answer in inequality. Here's my graph. And then here is my interval notation.